Ajax Furnace Maintenance. Regular furnace maintenance is essential for homeowners in Ajax, Ontario, to ensure optimal performance, energy efficiency, and longevity of their heating systems. Twintech Heating Cooling, a family-owned business with over 30 years of experience, offers comprehensive furnace maintenance services tailored to meet the unique needs of Ajax residents. Benefits of regular furnace maintenance. Enhanced efficiency. Routine maintenance ensures that all components of your furnace are clean and functioning correctly, leading to improved energy efficiency and reduced utility bills. Extended lifespan. Regular checkups can identify and address minor issues before they escalate, prolonging the life of your furnace. Improved air quality. A well-maintained furnace helps in maintaining better indoor air quality by effectively filtering out dust and allergens. Safety assurance. Regular inspections can detect potential safety hazards, such as gas leaks or faulty wiring, ensuring the safety of your household. Twintech's professional maintenance services. Twintech Heating Cooling is a full-service HVAC care and maintenance provider located in Pickering, Ontario, servicing Ajax, Pickering, Whitby, Oshawa, and the Greater Toronto Area. Their team of factory-trained technicians is fully licensed and insured, ensuring that your heating system is in capable hands. Customer testimonials. Twintech's commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in numerous positive reviews. For instance, a satisfied customer shared their experience just had a new furnace installed by Twintech. "I can't express how great these guys are at what they do. From the sales to installation, they were professional all the way. Very reasonable pricing and courteous during the installation and willing to answer any questions I had. Highly recommended." For furnace maintenance services in Ajax and nearby regions, you can reach Twintech Heating Cooling at 1-844-894-6832. Their team is available 24/7 to address any heating emergencies and provide no-obligation quotes for their services. In summary, Twintech Heating Cooling's extensive experience, customer-centric approach, and professional accreditations make them a top choice for furnace maintenance services in Ajax, Ontario.